Kerala is the land of festivals. Every month, almost every week, a festival unfolds in some corner of the state. In a culture reared on the lap of agrarian life, it is in the fields, lying bare after a harvest, that the festival flags are unfurled. Once human festivals end, nature begins her festivities here. The monsoon arrives and decks the parched land in blushing greens and lush yellows. Life blossoms again. The earth awaits another harvest, and the drum beats of yet another festival. It is the monsoons that transform the state of Kerala into a land of verdant beauty. Clad in silken green, girdled by turquoise lakes and silver rivers, this tropical coast is a sight to behold in itself. The sun-kissed beaches of the Arabian Sea form the western border of Kerala. The golden sands stretch on for nearly 600 kilometers, giving Kerala a mesmerizing coastline of tropical green and gold. All the rain clouds from the Arabian Sea are embraced by the sublime heights of these mountains and come down in joyful tumult on the blessed land. Kerala has mainly two rainy seasons. The southwest monsoon, which arrives in the month of June, is called Idavappadi, as it comes in the middle of the month of Edavam on the Malayalam calendar. For a people nurtured on the banks of rivers, streams, lakes and backwaters, and a culture cradled by the seas, the rainy season is festival time. They share in nature's celebrations and partake generously of heaven's blessings. Rains do not upset the rhythm of life here. Life goes on with all its normal chores and nothing comes to a standstill. Amidst the joyful laughter of the wind and water, life shapes itself anew in tune to the pitter-patter of the rains. The monsoons in Kerala do not take the pattern of incessant rains continuing for weeks. Virtually, it rains for a few hours with sunny interludes. Occasionally, the rains might stretch on for a few days, but the respite of sunshine is never far away. People look forward to seeing the sun peep through the wet palm fronds and rain-drenched green. These golden interludes provide an equilibrium to life's natural flow.